everyone, Tim from Bozzy Garage with yet more EV modifications for your car. Today, a pretty simple exterior modification. This is going to go on the new Model Y Juniper that we've got in the garage. This one here is from Hansshow. I've done another video on Hansshow stuff. Have a look in the link in the description and comment below, and I'll put a link to this product and a coupon code that you can use as well. So what we have here are some exterior mirror covers for the Model Y. Mirror cover, it is in matte carbon, matte black. Why do we have carbon mirror covers? Look, to be honest, in this particular case, it's only going to be a cosmetic change. In the race world, people make things out of carbon fibre because it's stronger and lighter than the original factory part that it's replacing. But because we're not actually replacing the mirror covers, we're putting it on top. Well, technically we're adding weight. Gee, not much weight. This feels like nothing. Let's have a look on the inside. Oh, wow. Yeah, so unlike some really cheap and nasty Temu, Shein, AliExpress stuff, this is not just a carbon print on some plastic. This is actually real carbon all the way through. How do you tell? Well, if we flip it around the inside, you can see the weave. It's one piece from top to bottom, inside and out. It weighs like, I'm not going to say nothing, but it's really, really light. I've got a scale. Let's find out how much it actually weighs. 53 grams. So if you put two of them on, 106 grams, it's nothing really. It comes in a couple of different colour options. I think glossy carbon fibre is another option on the website to order too. But I really like this matte look. Comes with double-sided tape already applied. And of course in the box we've got the other side. What else is in the box? We've got some primer, some adhesive, adhesion promoter. So this will help the 3M double-sided tape stick the mirror cover on more securely to the side mirror. This is the other one here. So it should be a pretty easy installation anyway. Here we're going to wipe down the mirror, wash it, make it really clean. We're going to use the adhesion promoter where the double-sided tape is going to go. Test fit. If everything looks good, peel back the red cover on the double-sided tape, put it in place, and there we go.
Later.
So we're here with the new Tesla Model Y Juniper, and these are the carbon fibre mirror caps that we unboxed earlier. The great thing about it is that the colour really matches this car. It's a Quicksilver grey, and the fitment, I believe, should be spot on. Look at that. So didn't have to do anything. It just matches the mirror cover. It doesn't replace the mirror, so the original mirror cover is still, under there. And as you can see, it wraps all the way around really, really nicely. Yeah, perfect fit, great quality. I wonder how it looks when we do the other side. I love how that looks. It blends in with the black sort of triangle around the mirror housing as well. Kind of a subtle look, and I do like how it's a matte black carbon fibre instead of a glossy one too. We're going to give the car a wash. We're going to stick that down, but there you go. Looks amazing. Can you unfold those mirrors again for us? Let's see how they look. Alright, and close it. Cool. Easy as that. Carbon fibre mirror covers, we'll actually stick them down another day after we've washed the mirror down properly. Wash the car, get it really, really clean. You can use some of that adhesion promoter stuff that we unboxed earlier, and that will make sure that these never come off. But yeah, really a perfect fit. They look amazing, and kind of a subtle improvement on how your Tesla's going to look. If you want to pick up a pair of these, look in the description below. I'll put a link to the exact product and hopefully a discount code too. Like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you in the next Tesla video.